I just sent this chair, I wanted to share my thoughts and how I like it and kind of what I think about it. So this chair comes disassembled, and by disassembled, I mean it's basically put together. You just need to put the legs on. Legs are super easy to go on. You just tighten up a little screw with a hex Allen wrench, and then you're good to go. And everything is included, so you don't need any tools at home. So this is like a stool slash ottoman. You can put this down, you can have that down. If you want to have the backrest up, you have to go all the way back, and it clicks, and then you can move it up, and then as it clicks, it will stay there. And even if you would like to put some pressure on it, so you can kind of have whatever height or angle you want. So this is where we're at right now. So I could sit there. This also has a little, if I can lift this up, a little pouch, a little storage space underneath here. So if you have anything to put in there, you totally can. I will say, if this is not on here really well and you try to sit on it, it will like flip out and not be seated well. But if it's seated and if you have it in, you can like tell where it is and you can tell it's in, it's good to go. So this is for my daughter. This is my daughter's room. So I would recommend this for a child chair. I would not really recommend it for an adult unless you're a very small, petite adult. I can sit on it. The weight limit says it's like, I think it was like 260 or maybe 300 pounds. It's a decent weight limit. You'll have to double check on the listing, but just size wise, I think it would be most comfortable for a child. I will sit on it. I will show you how it looks. I'm just an average size adult. I am pregnant, so I will just show you though kind of the size of how it fits. So my hips go over on either side. I don't know if you can see that. It works for a little stool. It's not going to be super comfortable for like the long term, but it works fantastic for like a child. This little stool, like I said, is great for a bedroom. It's great for a little workspace or a desk. It's very soft, very smooth. My kids love it and they're very happy with it. So it makes me happy with it as well. If you want to put the front down, you totally can. If you really wanted to take the legs off, you totally could. If you're needing to, put it in away for storage or whatever. But overall, I went too far. Overall, I think it's a great little chair. My kids love it. Not the sturdiest thing for like a grown adult, but works great for a child's room. So if you're looking into it, we recommend it. It's been a fun little chair for us.